said you wanted to discuss something with me. Can't it wait till I come back?
No. I want you to do something about it when you are coming back. So that's why I want to talk about it now.
Okay, go ahead.
Brother, it's about my wife.
Your wife?
Yes.
Have you people started your fighting issue again?
Yes. Madam Buford, she's right. You know, I lost my respect from her simply because it's been long I gave her money to change her wardrobe, you know, do her hair, fix nails and buy cream. If you see the type of list she brought to me yesterday, everything amounting to 30,000 naira. You can maybe 30,000 get safe for that. 30,000. So that is it.
So what do you want me to do?
What I'm saying is this. If he can help me with a little thing, just at least to impress her for once, I will appreciate it. I'm not talking about the 30,000, but the 30,000.
Okay, I've heard what you said. I'll see you when I come back in the evening.
You will give me?
I said I will see you when I come back.
Yes, you will give it to me. Good brother. Just drove out.
What did he tell you?
He said he will see me when he comes back.
Onyase. Esse sialo. Okay, Kapende.
What's the meaning of this?
Kapende. I know you very well. I don't trust you. Mama me you gaseta. Oh, cool down. Oh yeah, muna get up. Happen can nene. Wepo aka. Are
you okay?
Husband of mine. So he said he will see you when he comes back. Yeah? Yeah, no.
Baby, my love. Baby, madam.
Please, leave me alone.
Baby, talk to me now. Why are you putting up this kind of expression?
You can go home and ask your sister Ihoma.
Ihoma what? What did she do?
Please, I need to leave, Ikenga.
No, maybe now. It's not that way. All I ask is for you to tell me what my sister did to you. I can handle it.
Like I said, go home and ask your sister.
Ebi! It's me, Ikenga. It's your Ikenga. Hi. What has Ihoma done to this girl? Mama, tell Ihoma to mind her own business. She should not provoke my anger in this house. Oh.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Here. Tell him.
Ihoma, how many times did I call you? Stay clear from my own business. Mind your own business, Ihoma.
Brother. It
is never your business if I am dating a berry or not. Open in a room now. Open in a room.
Hey, the berry is not your class. You must wait here for Sibling.
Huh? Listen to your mother. Why are you behaving like this? Will you shut up? Are you mad? Huh? One more word from you, you will have it very hot with me.
Take a piece of advice. It's for your own good. I'm telling you.
You want Sieba? You too. You're now talking back at me, Emeka.
Here.
If I talk back at you, what will you do? What will you do?
Emeka, shut up. I don't want that here. Please.
Because you have beer like me, and you feel that we are all men. Emeka, today, you will show me what makes you a man.
Stop it!
Stop it!
Stop it!
Cross our line now!
Stop it!
Come on. Look at this small boy, you! Okay, because shut up!
Why is he behaving like this?
Because you have behavior like me, Abi. Mama. Emeka, you're daring me in this house.
It's okay.
Emeka, you're daring me in this house.
If I want you about tonton bikon. Please, I don't want that this morning. Please, I don't want it. Please. I better should leave you alone and leave a better one alone.
Chimezie, my brother.
Okay. That is the 20,000.
The 20,000.
Give it to her, please. Let her manage it.
Oh, thank you.
I know it's not enough, but let her manage it.
It's okay. This one is okay. Thank you, sir.
I want to rush to somewhere.
Me, I want to go and see a friend by the roadside, so that you will help me and drop me. Okay, why am I Raka?
Okay.
When I come back, I will see my wife.
Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. I'm a big muddy begin. You cannot predict your neighbor's heart. Yes, I'm a big muddy begin. Yes, I'm a big muddy begin. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. Echena balabu, onye wisi akubi obula kuya. Echena balabu, onye wisi akubi obula.
My elegantus. My elelicious. Guess what?
Why are you happy?
He gave me something for you.
Who?
Chimezie, of course.
Are you serious?
Take this.
You're going to be fine.
Count it now.
$10,000.
Yes. Is that she gave it to you?
Where is the remaining 10,000?
Which remaining 10,000? He said I should give you 10,000.
You're a criminal.
Yeah?
You are a liar and a thief. Give me the remaining money now.
What do you mean? This is the 10,000 that I said I should give to you. You are asking on fire.
Do you think I'm joking? I saw everything that happened. I saw when he gave you 20,000 naira. He wanted 10,000 naira. Why not? If you don't give me that complete money now, I want to get one problem. Give me the money.
That's the 10,000 that I said I should give to you.
Hey! You useless man! Hey, go to my hotel!
You know better?
Yeah, get my phone.
Hey, big eggs. Hi.
Big eggs.
Hey, very good. I know this one is going to be delicious.
I heard the sound of Chimezie's car. Is he back?
Yes, he's back with her.
Again with her. Where with her?
With the girl he wants to marry now. They are the living room there. Go there and see her.
What do you mean by that? Can't you see I'm cooking? Or him just go there and say hi?
I know you are cooking now. So when you just go there, you say, how are you? You come back and start what you're doing now. Huh?
Rita, is she beautiful?
I think so. As a woman,
You think so? Why am I saying you think so?
Of course, Chimeze has eyes for beautiful women. So just go there, you say hi, you come back.
What do you mean by that? I should just go there and say hi. Hi for what? Onekego. I want to see her face to know if she's beautiful. She should be the one to come and greet me. Because they married me first before her. Or some just go there and say hi.
Okay. I hope when I come back you will be done with the cooking.
Let
me just go there again.
Where you come?
I'm coming.
Bari believe. So this is true. Chimezi.
But I forgot to give them to you earlier. So here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Please don't forget to see your uncle concerning the list for our traditional marriage.
No, I won't. I'll go there this evening.
Okay. I'll take my leave now.
Okay. I'll tell Mama you stopped by.
Take care.
When I visited your house,
Okay.
your brother left to inform his wife that I was outside. Then he returned and she didn't come out. She didn't come out, and it has me thinking, is everything all right?
Iwoma, stop bothering yourself over nothing. That she didn't come out to greet you does not mean anything. Don't worry yourself, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'll call you in the evening. Bye.
I'ma be murder. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'ma be muddy baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's house. Oh yes, I'll be muddy baby. Yes, I'll be muddy baby. Nobody knows his neighbor's house.
You are seated here all alone. What is it? Are you alright? It's written all over you that you are not feeling fine. You've not been yourself since yesterday. What is the problem? Even Chimeze asked me the same question this morning.
He did?
Yes.
It's not something we can discuss here.
Then let's go to our bedroom. Let's go.
Can't even help your wife. I saw the girl Chimezie brought into this compound as she was leaving. Something in me tells me that we should be careful about that girl.
How do you mean?
What do you mean? I need not to be told. If I see someone that has a very questionable character, I know. I already looked at her and I found out that she has the selfishness written all over her. My problem with you is that whenever I'm talking about something very important, you know Chacha Eke. Why are you opening your teeth?
How did you see her? Because I know you didn't come out to greet her.
I did not come out to greet her, but I was peeping. I saw her when she was leaving. Listen to me, my dear, your brother listens to you. Talk to him not to marry that girl. If he eventually marries that girl into this compound,
do not worry. You know, people will begin to say all sorts of things if I persuade my brother not to marry the girl. Of course, you know what people will begin to talk about. So
that is your problem? Is that your problem? You care about what people say? We're talking about the welfare of this family and you're telling me about what people will say. You don't have money. Now, talk to your brother so that we can be able to save up whatever we are saving from him. What are you saying?
Mbo, his wife's presence in this house means nothing. Nobody will stop us.
His wife's presence in this house stops nothing. So why do? I got Chefia on him. Put away.
I'ma be murder. Nobody knows his neighbor's house. I'ma be muddy, baby. You cannot predict your neighbor's house.
Auntie, thank you so much for all your support. You tried so much. Please extend my greetings to your husband.
You people have tried. I've tried well done. My wife, Auntie, you've done well.
Felicia.
Papa.
Are you going?
Yes, Papa. When I knocked on the door, there was no answer, so I thought you were sleeping.
I decided to take a nap. You know, I even joking. I make a tananyes waking. When you get home, extend my greetings to your husband and your children. Sorry. Let me drop her off. Okay. Thank you.
My wife, Chimezie will bring you to my house. Just be a good wife. I love you.
Papa.
Yes, my dear.
You must be hungry now.
Yes. I think I'm hungry. But I will go to the backyard where I will receive enough air. Well, meet me over there.
Okay, Papa.
My wife was 15 years when I married her. She was so tender that a lot of people said she was too small to get married. Eventually, Cordelia, whom I fondly call Cordy, later turned out to be the best woman this community has ever witnessed.
That's interesting.
Yes.
Chimezie has told me so much about her. He has told me how much of a good woman she was.
She was more. She was the best amongst the best.
I wish I met her. I always dreamt of having a good and caring mother-in-law. God rest her soul.
The memory of her death still remains fresh in my mind. She was everything to me until death took her away from me.
Ihoma, I want to see you.
It's all right, Papa. I am here to replace her. And I promise to be a good daughter-in-law to you.
Thank you very much, my daughter. Thank you. Huh? Why is she calling you?
I don't know.
Then go and find out.
I will.
Muzie, my son has made a good choice.
Masala, you called me. I want to understand. What kind of busybody are you?
Again?
You heard me.
Well, I don't understand.
How can you possibly understand? Ever since they married you into this compound, all you have ever done is to sit down and gossip. Nothing more. Is that how you were raised up? I ask again, is that how your mother raised you up?
Mosom.
Eh?
I will tolerate you when you insult and call me names. But I will not have you insult my mother.
Why won't I talk to your mother? Who is your mother? Who? Do you know who you are speaking to? Eh? Or have you suddenly forgotten? Yes. Where are you going? I'm not done talking to you. I'm talking to you and you're walking out on me. Don't you have respect? Don't you? I mean, how dare you walk out on me while I'm still talking to you? How dare you?
Please, I don't have strength for your trouble this afternoon. I don't.
So you are now calling me a troublemaker? Is that it? If you dare call me a troublemaker again, I will show you trouble.
Watch your tongue. I never called you a troublemaker.
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? How dare you? I should watch my tongue. You should accord me with respect in this house because I was married years before you were. So you should accord me with respect. You're looking at me. And if you dare look at me like that again, I will give you times 2 what I just gave to you. Is something wrong with you? Okay, well, I have nothing to say to you. By the time I return to that kitchen and you have not cleared that place I cooked, nonsense.
Yeah, that one.
Chimezi, I've come to see you.
Wait, is that why you barged in? Can you name it? I don't understand.
Baby, it's okay. Oh, I'm going to hear name. Oh. What is it?
Our soup has finished. There's no food in the house again. I need one to go to the market and buy food items.
So, how much are we talking about here?
6,000 naira.
6,000 naira. Okay.
It's complete. Thank you.
Well, take care.
What is it?
what you're doing. Chimeze, you don't treat me like your wife at all.
Did I do anything wrong?
You're asking. You are really asking what you did wrong. Mbosolo walked right into this room without knocking and you said nothing about it.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. It was just a mistake.
Which is why you ought to have said something. That way she will not repeat it again.
It's okay. It's okay. It was just a mistake. Just leave it. Eh? I mean, I was showing something before.
The money you gave her is too much. What is she buying?
Ihoma, forget about it. Let her go with the money. Okay? I was showing you something.
Ihoma, didn't you see that I'm back? What exactly are you doing here? Reading what I do not know, when you're supposed to be in the kitchen cooking.
Mbosolo, when you came back, I greeted you. You didn't respond. Now you're here scolding me. Over what?
Salutation is not love and it is not by force. I must not answer you. Please, get up there. Get inside the kitchen and make something for us to eat.
Mbosolo, I am in my husband's house. You are married into this family just like I am. I don't see what gives you the right to command me up and down in my own husband's house.
What nonsense talk is that? See, I'm not here for this nonsense that you're saying. By the time I come out here and you're still seated here, you will have me to contend with. I'm telling you. To the kitchen, oh.
You like to listen to your radio?
Yes, I listen to good program. Are you done cooking?
Yes, I am. Mbosolo is dishing your own.
Okay.
I brought you oranges. You can have some before the food comes.
That's good.
Let me cut it for you.
Yes, yes. Okay.
How many pieces of meat did you take from the soup pot?
Get it.
You heard me!
Mbosolo, what kind of question is that?
What do you mean, what kind of question is that? I counted those meat before I gave you. I am very, very sure of that. I made sure I counted them one after the other when I came back from the market. So I know exactly what I'm saying.
Mbosolo, what is it?
The problem is that Ihuoma here is a thief. A certified one at that.
Stop it.
No, don't tell me to stop it.
You have to stop it.
What's
your problem?
Stop what?
Why do you always insult me? What is it in Mbosolo?
Because I made sure that I counted those meats before I handed it over to her to cook. By the time she finished cooking, I came back again to count those meats and I found out that 5 pieces were missing. Who else could have stolen it if not Ihuoma? Onyoriano, why did you steal the meat? Who else?
Mbosolo, it's okay.
Papa, it's not okay.
It's okay.
No.
Why are you like this? Why do you always insult me? What kind of insult?
It is not an insult. You are a thief, Ihuoma. You are a thief. A certified one at that. Papa, you're telling me it's okay. I know you have always been on her side. But don't worry. Very soon, Oga Wagi Kati, and you will know what I'm saying. Okwagi? My eyes are on you in this house. Ifria, the enemy of progress.
It's okay. Eh? You brought this orange for me. Let me be able to take it in peace. Eh? Please. It's okay.
What is happening here?
What is happening there? I don't understand.
There is no meat in my soup.
Kerifo.
Where is my meat?
So Ihuoma, you expect me to still give you meat after you had stolen 5 pieces of meat? Chala 5. Of course, you know it's not possible, man. So I'm not giving you anything. Awesome. Okay,
It is serious.
Very, very serious.
You mean I'll eat without any meat?
Oh, you can equal. I have locked the cupboard and the keys. So you cannot have access to it again. Onyoriano.
Awesome.
Oh, give me. Why are you calling me? It's Onyoriano 5. They cannot channel us again. You got what I'm tan. Muscle.
How are you, my dear?
Fine. Why did you buy all this? We still have provisions in the house.
Sometimes you amaze me. Have you forgotten that we're supposed to go see your mother tomorrow?
I honestly forgot. Thank you for getting
Other
this.
things I bought there in the other room.
Oh, thank you so much.
What are you eating?
Bread.
I'm very hungry. So hungry. Haven't you cooked anything?
I have.
So I'm going back to the shop now.
Ihuoma. What's up?
husband is back. Please dish his food. He's about to return to his workshop.
This is it. This is the food I dished for your wife before I went to fetch firewood. Never made abandon. Neya. A jabata to for a ball carrier. Wagodumu. Never made abandon. If we are.
Then why?
Ask her.
See, ask me. Ihoma, come back here. Ihoma, we are not done talking. Ihoma, come back here. You see? You see the wife you married. She's working out on you. This is a clear indication that she doesn't have any respect for you.
It's okay.
Can you imagine?
It's okay. I will handle it. Okay?
Ah!
Give me the food.
But I know why you talk.
Give me the food. You don't
No. I will dish a special one for you. You never don't worry. I'll dish another one for you. Okay, now for what? You'll be my witness on this one. That girl is a thief. A professional criminal.
You mean that you gave her soup without meat inside?
On him, as if I
Oh, so she abandoned the food for you, huh?
She did, but I personally will make her pay for it. She will pay for it though.
So what did my brother say when he reported the matter to him?
He said nothing. I don't know why your brother loves that girl so much. I don't know. See, we have to be very careful before she takes everything from us. We have to be very, very careful.
Let me tell you something. My brother can never abandon us because of Ihoma. Ihoma bofin kuku. O mess up. Nkupie.
My husband.
My elegantus. Bofin kafaka is very delicious. Hi. Ihoma can cook very well though. That's the only thing she knows how to do.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? What's the meaning of this rubbish you just said? Does it mean that she's a better cook than I am?
Only said that she knows how to cook.
Please stop it. I don't want to hear again. Ever since you married me into this house, have you for one day praised my food? Have you?
Hey, my elegantus. In fact, you are the best cook in the whole wide world.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear.
But I said I am sorry.
And I said I do not want to hear. If you want peace now, just shut up that silly mouth of yours and eat this food. If you don't shut up, I will carry the food and you will go hungry tonight. If you're not making it. Yes. You go back and cook. You go back and cook. You go back and cook. Nwoke na-asụ ụsa. Akwa gị, ị ga-alarụ na tata. Like it's not a bed. Na pụọla. Sagbere gị. Where is your brother going with his wife?
Chimeze, my brother.
Yes, now. I saw them putting some tubers of yam and other items inside his car.
Where are they taking them to?
Go and find them. Go.
Chimeze.
Hi.
Chimeze. They have gone. You mean you saw them with your 2 eyes? Eh? Hi!
See, you mean to tell me that your brother never told you that he was going to go out with his wife?
No! But don't worry. I will find out.
You better do.
Just go inside.
You better do.
When I come inside now, we will plan a better way
If you see the yam, very big. The yams were big. So many. Anyway, you have to find out.
Tubers of yam. I have to be very, very careful. Because that girl may be up to something. Leave this house with tubers of yam and other items without letting Miyamobi to know about it. Agbari 8 years, Nishi.
Asi no buroma nwa oyegeye baburoma nwa oyegeye mu upu George oyegeye ma rice geye mu indomie carton oyegeye mu okwanu ji oyegeye ma egi igwe. Everyone.
Mama, this is why you are singing and dancing like this.
What happened? So you did not meet your sister and her husband?
No, Mama.
They just left now.
Serious?
They came visiting with food items. G, rice, Indomie in the cartonia. Here, is your boroko. Mangala on it. Hey! Calafis.
Mama,
see money. Ego.
How much is this, Mama?
10,000.
10,000.
Here.
Ezubogo. Mama, thank God for giving us a good in-law.
One nemo.
Mama, please stop talking. Let me go inside and see for myself.
Go and see for yourself.
Mama.
Biko jawelo wo biko. Obura ma nwa, oyegeye mabura ma nwa, oyegeye mu. Ego mu o, shibeti yede na pa umu wai. Hey, everyone. Oh, me.
I'm a be mother. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. I'm a be muddy begin. You cannot predict your neighbor's heart. Yes, I'll be muddy bear. Yes, I'll be muddy bear. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart.
Husband and wife.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Hi, where are you people coming from?
I went to visit my in-law.
Your in-laws? How are they?
They are fine.
Oh, they are fine.
Thank you.
Hi, that's wonderful. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Chai. He went to visit his in-law. That means he went out with all those food items and other things. Hi, Chimeze.
I'm a be mother. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart. I'm a be muddy begin. You cannot predict your neighbor's heart. Yes, I'll be muddy bear. Yes, I'll be muddy bear. Nobody knows his neighbor's heart.
What did he tell you?
They visited the Ihoma's mother.
With those items?
Yes.
Whoa! I said it. Amobi, I knew it was going to happen. I knew it. This girl is about to take our joy away. That is what I'm seeing.
Mbo, relax. Nobody will take away the source of our joy and happiness in this house. Nobody.
I'm afraid, Amobi. It's already happening. I'm afraid that girl can do anything. She can.
See, let me tell you something. I'm going to be the last idiot to allow Ihoma divert my brother's words to their people. No.
The one that is making me mad is that she has not even been up to 4 months in the marriage. She has already started controlling her husband up and down. Why are some men so foolish?
Cool. Ihoma will know why I am called Amobi.
I am not happy because you are very useless man. Why hate you? The only source of our income is trying to water. You know, everyone say you will do. You better do. You better do. I can't go.
What is going on, my husband?
Happy birthday.
Look at this one. Look at this one. No, today is my own birthday. These are a birthday gift. These are a birthday gift.
You got me gifts?
These are a birthday gift. Just check it. Check them. You like it?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Come on, let's go in.
This is a pleasant surprise. And here I am.
What?
I actually have a surprise for you.
Okay. And what is it?
I was at the clinic because of how I've been feeling these past days.
Okay.
So the result of the test says that I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant. You are pregnant.
Yes. What are you doing?
Every time you are on drugs, you are not on drugs, you are on medication. How you are lazy, my friend?
When I was in Jos, the people there, they used to say, I am on drugs.
Good afternoon. What's on?
Papa, today is my birthday. I want to show you the things Chimezie bought for me.
Today is your birthday.
Yes.
And he bought all this for you. Let's put it inside.
Yes.
Yeah. And this?
Yes.
Chimezie bought all these items for you for your birthday. Good. They are all beautiful.
Papa, did I hear you say they are all beautiful? So my brother brought all these costly items all for you in one day for your birthday gift?
Yes, he did.
Amobi, what is wrong with you?
Papa, can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Now it is clear to me that this girl is here on a mission.
Yes.
And her mission here is to liquidate my brother and return him back to property.
Excuse me.
What do you mean, excuse you? My husband is still talking and you're saying excuse you? Don't you have respect? Don't you ever talk back at my husband again? Obim,
Papa, you see these items, each of them cost a fortune.
Very expensive.
Just last week, this girl persuaded my brother. My brother bought all the foodstuffs in the whole world, including some uncountable money. Yeah, to her people. By the time she stays here 9 months and a half, she will turn my brother to pauper. And he will be begging on this.
God forbid. Huh? I reject it. My husband would never beg for food.
Sister Mary, God forbid. I reject it. My husband will never beg. You think we don't know your plan? We know your mission in this house. You have come to pack everything this family has. It will never work for you. All your plans have failed. It has failed though. I'm going to have here.
I have no idea what you're saying, Wasolo. Please marry your husband. Marry your husband and allow me to marry mine in peace.
Hey, I said it before. Her mission here is to divide us.
We can never be divided.
Amobi, stop that. What is wrong with you?
Papa, what is wrong with me? Okay, man, I am home.
Look at everything. Look at everything they bought for you. About Mandingo. With Elizabeth. Enjoy.
Until the children are done that. My darling, let us go.
Let us go. My boy, Papa,
Ihuoma.
Papa.
Take these things inside.
Papa, Mbosolo and her husband are troubling me in my house. They are troubling me in this house.
Take these things inside. They are fine. They are all beautiful. Eh? It's out of jealousy.
Cheers. I am here for us to talk.
Okay, what is it?
I saw the gift you bought for your wife as a birthday gift.
Oh, yesterday was her birthday, so I had to buy those minor gifts for her.
Cheers. You call those expensive gifts minor?
Yes, I know they're expensive. We're talking about my wife here. So I bought them for her.
That girl is here to liquidate you and turn you back to local poverty. If you don't know.
Why are you sounding like this?
Hey, let me tell you something. Don't ever buy those expensive gifts for her again. Save your money and do something meaningful with it. If you don't know anything to do, build a house.
I've heard you.
I want to tell you, you know some women, they don't reason like us. She is here to liquidate you, may obaze all liquid. Eh? So, Jikwano, Anyani, Goeze, Makadi Amam.
I'm no problem. I've heard you.
Oba Makadi Amam.
I heard everything. Timothy, I heard all you said with your brother. And I want to ask, are you the one marrying me or is it your brother?
Norma, please, I am tired right now, okay? I want to sleep. You just come to the bed, let's sleep. Tomorrow we'll talk about that. Come to the bed.
When your brother called you out for that conversation, you weren't tired. Now you are suddenly tired. I don't like this. I am not a slave in this house. I am your wife. And I have had enough of this.
Mama, you are disturbing me. I want to sleep now, please. If you don't want, I want to sleep.
That's fine. Go ahead and sleep. But just know that I want you to begin to treat me as your wife. Because I don't understand what is going on, really. Since I came into this house, till this moment, you give our feeding money to Mbosol. Is that fair?
I said you're disturbing.
Is it fair?
I said you're disturbing me. Please. I want to sleep.
I'm telling you the truth. I have had enough of this from your brother and his wife. And I am ready for them if they will not cease to give me trouble in my marriage.
Are you mad? Don't you have respect? Eh? If I hear him from your mouth again, if I hear Fakam, you get me.
What is happening? What is the problem? Who did this to you? Ogini? Who did this to you? Hey!
Mama, what happened to you? Mama, what happened to her?
She's not spoken to me. Kediho.
Please, it's okay now. Stop crying and talk to us. What happened to you? What happened?
Idalada.
Talk to us.
Mama, I have been suffering. I have been suffering in silence in that house. It's my husband. My husband came back from work yesterday and asked that I boil water for him to take his bath. I put water on fire. Then I left. I returned to check on the water and the water was gone. His brother's wife, Mbosol, admitted she took the water. When I asked her why she didn't put another one for me, then she started cursing me. She said all sorts of things to me. She started abusing me and I decided to retaliate the abuses. That was when Chimezie came out. Chimezie came out and started beating me.
Started beating you? So Chimezie did this to you?
Mama,
a pregnant woman?
See, I cannot.
Hey!
Why should Chimezie be this wicked?
Hey!
Look at my sister's face. He has turned her face to a punching bag.
Hey!
Mama, I am going to see to the end of this. What is going on there?
Look at your sister's face.
Husband beat her. Come and look at her face. Come on, look, just imagine.
You mean Chimezie did this to you?
Hey!
What? Wait, was it the Wobaloka? Eh?
I don't have anything to say right now.
Chimezie Kotegom. Oh, Kotegom. Chimezie has beaten more than he can chew.
See, Ikenga, if you finish with them, just meet me inside, let's talk.
Chimezie, Utada Atoya. Nah. It's okay. Badra. Pasa? Pasa mona Chimezie galo. Just cool down.
It's okay. Chimezie ogaga aderege na mma. Chimezie okwe follow gi na mbo solo omu. Hey! Over hot water. Would have held him responsible. Tell him, after all said and done, he will go to the hospital, stoot the bill, so that they will release the body of his dead son for him to go and bury it. Look at my daughter here. If anything happens to her, I will show you people, Beppe. Two of you.
My in-law, don't go like that.
My
in-law.
Let me use my head and go. Look at your daughter-in-law. Take care of her.
Iwoma, my daughter, please come with me. Please, come with me. Please.